Do you want to know how to do a TikTok Q&A using the Q&A feature on TikTok? You've come to the right place. We're going to cue that intro real fast while the intro is playing. Comment your TikTok handle below, and I'm going to walk you guys through all of the steps from turning on the Q&A feature to actually finding the questions you want to answer and then answering them with a TikTok video. Go ahead and drop your handle below. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist and I'm obsessed with TikTok. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get the Q&A feature, but then also how to actually answer the questions that you get. So you're going to go to your TikTok profile, go to the upper right-hand corner. By the way, shameless plug, feel free to follow me on TikTok at the Mrs. Pedersen. If you go to the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, then from there, you're going to select Creator Tools. You should have some options that are available here. If you have the Q&A option available, which all creators technically should, or at least most people should have that rolled out to them by now, click on the Q&A option. From there, you're going to see a simple button that says Turn on Q&A. This is also the same way that you turn off the Q&A. It's very, very simple. But just remember that when you have Q&A on, all of the questions that are being asked are public. So let's go on back to my profile, and I actually haven't looked at my Q&A in a while, so I'm kind of like nervous about what we'll find here. Sometimes there's nice comments and questions, sometimes they're not so nice. So let's go ahead and click on this red little box that says Q&A on my profile. Go ahead and click on it. All right, so there's some really good questions here. Does verification on TikTok or IG truly help when you're a brand? And if so, how to best obtain verification these days? This is a perfect one. I just recorded a YouTube tutorial about how to get verified on TikTok in 2021. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and record this TikTok here and now. So you click on the option to film, and that's how you're going to answer the question. We're going to be really meta here, and I'm going to record a TikTok. So while I'm recording this TikTok, feel free to comment below and ask me what questions you have about TikTok, whether it's Q&A or something else related to this awesome platform. Go ahead and ask them. And by the way, I have in the bio beneath this video a totally free starter pack. If you're trying to grow to your first 1,000 followers, you guys can catch that in the bio beneath this video. Does verification actually help on TikTok? The short answer is yes, it does. I actually just created an entirely free and ad-free tutorial on YouTube about how to get verified on TikTok in 2021. Then I'm going to go ahead and go to my YouTube channel. My YouTube is linked in my bio, and go to this one here. And that is how you use the Q&A feature on TikTok from start to finish. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. I put out free social media tutorials ad-free every single week. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.